Okay, what I'm going to be doing is changing out all this crap here. As you can see, that's a main disconnect right there, and then it's got a gutter, and it goes into a meter, some disconnects, another disconnect, another sub panel, a meter, another meter, and another sub panel. We're going to take this and put this in an all-in-one unit, but I have to relocate all those conduits first. Okay, and like that disconnect right there goes down, goes back, feeds into a J box, and that J box branches out and goes up and feeds a disconnect, and then it goes back down and it feeds part of this AC unit here. So all this has got to be refed. I've got this little cluster back here that needs to get all fixed up. Refrigeration guy's got to come in and mount a new motor down in there. I mean, that's just a bunch of horse crap. Then if you take a look, I got to relocate that scupper there because it dumps right down on top of that refrigeration. There's actually 2 refrigeration units right there. Okay. But this is all going to get changed out to a wall-mounted all-in-one unit. So in other words, we're gonna have 1 meter that feeds 3 panels on the inside of this building, and then we'll have 2 separate meters which will feed that panel right there, and then that panel is the 3rd panel inside the building, and we're going to put that under 1 meter. So I'll do a little sketch up and show you what I mean on that. But right now you've got 200 amps being fed down into that disconnect, which goes out and feeds something up there. I don't know what the hell it goes to yet, but we're going to be tearing all that out. Okay, I've got some of this stuff marked. And then what we're going to be doing is redoing all this overhead, and we're only going to have 1 drop down here instead of the 2. And this is a 120/240 with a delta leg 3-phase. So what I have to do is get everything mounted, done, and completed first. Ready to go, get it inspected, get my risers up. And then once I do that, then coordinate it with the city inspectors and a utility company so that I can refeed down into that panel, which goes underground inside. And then it's going to refeed that middle meter there, which it goes down, over, up, and then down into back there. So all this has to be done without closing these people down, and I've got 1 day to basically, once I have the main service, new service put back up, I've got 1 day to reconnect those 3 panels in order to get both these businesses back up and running. But I've already changed the insides of the panels out. I've got 1 more to do, total of 3. I got 1 more to do, and then this place should be pretty well up to date. I've spent the last 2 months on the inside of this building rewiring it, and I wanted to get all that done before we got out here and did this. So just a short little preview of what I'm going to be doing over the next month and a half. We got drawings, permits, designs, orders, everything, get it all ready to go. So I need to get going on my panel schedules here. You guys have a great day. Talk to you later.